Light loud and built to rip, the two-stroke legend is back and better than ever. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 brings fresh updates while staying true to its roots. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest bikes so you know what's worth your ride time. Design. The YZ125 has always had that unmistakable race-ready look, and the 2026 model turns it up a notch. New plastics give it a sharper, more aggressive profile, and the updated graphics package looks straight out of the pro paddock. The ergonomics are improved too. Narrower bodywork and a flatter seat make it easier to move around whether you're scrubbing jumps or diving into corners. Performance. Under the tank, Yamaha's 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine keeps its signature snap but gets subtle refinements for smoother power delivery and better over-rev. The lightweight chassis and KYB suspension still make this bike one of the most flickable machines on the track. If you're a rider who lives for that raw, rev-happy feel, this bike will keep you grinning all day. Features and technology. While it's still a purist's machine, the 2026 YZ125 doesn't ignore modern touches. You'll find an updated digital CDI, revised jetting for better throttle response, and a new air intake design that boosts performance without sacrificing reliability. It's simple, race-focused tech, just the way a 125 should be. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 YZ125 still the king of fun in the lightweight class? If you're looking for a race-bred two-stroke that rewards skill, screams at high RPMs, and keeps the riding pure, the answer is yes. Got thoughts on Yamaha's latest two-stroke? Drop them in the comments below. And if you liked this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more ride-tested insights. See you at the gate.